there's a Ginetta going off. That's Nick Casey, the number 3.
Welcome to Box3 Motorsport. My name is Trevor Joseph. This is Nick Casey, and today it is race day. We are at Oulton Park. We've done testing, we've done practice, we've done qualifying, and now it's time for the race. But before we go out, I want to find out, how is Nick feeling about the race today?
I'm feeling really good. I've got to say, this morning has been fantastic. The car's feeling really balanced. I feel confidence in the car. The new boots going on have just given me even more confidence, and I'm really excited for what's to come in the race. It's going to be very close. All the GT class are all up at the front. There's nobody in our way, if you like. It's going to be a very tight
How do you
race.
think the first lap is going to go? Because everyone's going to be going through it. Because it's a short straight, and it's not even a straight. It's a slight kink, isn't it?
It is, and turn 1 is fast, turn 2 is fast. It's going to, and down to Shell Oil, it's going to be. Everyone needs to stay calm, stay sensible. Let's get race and just get through the first couple of laps without incident. Hopefully nobody slams on the anchors down at Shell Oil.
Awesome. Okay guys, we're about to jump into the race. Stick with us and support us by supporting this channel, by subscribing, liking, turn on your notifications. We're going to jump into the race. Let's see if Nick can climb up the order. Let's see if Nick can even come first.
Oh, no pressure.
All right, Nick, let's do this. Nice.
See you on the other side.
If you're serious about driver development, Box3 Motorsport can help you take the next step. We're also looking for a second driver to race for Ginetta GT4 alongside Nick. If that sounds like you, get in touch. Nick starts from row 4, right in the middle of the fast GT cars and the Ginetta pack. From here, the job is simple. Stay clean, stay in touch, and let the race come to him.
It's round 2 of the season for the Britcar Endurance Championship. 2 mandatory pit stops for each car. It will be a rolling start. So number 32 is on pole, the SG Racing Porsche. Mark Cunningham will start, sharing with Peter Cunningham. Minutes to go, we are underway.
Straight away, Nick is on the back of the 47 Ginetta. He missed round 1, so this was about getting points on the board and making a race come back to him.
It's the orange coloured car, there he is at the head. Fabrizio Cilio under fire from Nick Casey. He missed the opening round at Donington, so looking to make up for lost points perhaps here.
Within the first few laps, the race starts to throw curveballs. The 82 car runs wide, Nick has to react, and suddenly one of the cars ahead is in trouble.
It was running wide there, that's Michael Nibbs.
Nick's first real pressure came from the Army Motorsport Ginetta. Ashmore was right on him, looking for a way through, but while chasing Nick, he gets a wheel on the grass, spins, and ends up beached in the gravel.
Podium certainly, as Will Ashmore spins, and into the gravel goes the Army Ginetta. Because they didn't serve the correct length of pit stop. Every car has a minimum pit stop time to serve in the interest of balance of performance, based on whether there are pro drivers in it.
When the race goes green again, Nick is still in the fight, but now the pit window is open. From this point, it's not just about pace, it's about timing, traffic, and not making mistakes. As Nick dips a wheel in the gravel, Sanders gets ahead, and Nick drops behind the Cupra. It's not race ending, but it starts to pull Nick away from the sharper end of the Ginetta battle.
As the Cupra leads the trophy class, he's ahead of Nick Casey now, second in the trophy class at number 22, that's Archie Buckle. In the team Brit.
With 58 seconds on the clock, Nick comes in for his first mandatory stop. Box3 used the stop to put fresh tyres on the car, giving him more grip and confidence for the next stint.
Go on, mate. Racekeeper. Engine temp.
The fucking comms are so shit. It's fucking ridiculous. I'm trying to communicate the whole time, no one's answering me. What do you want me to fucking do? What do you want me to do? Nothing back.
We're not hearing you. We'd be back at you if we was hearing you. Where are you going? Even
everywhere. I was speaking the whole way around the circuit.
So we'll get you cleared up. Calm down. I know you're stressed. I know it's not good, but if you go out angry, it's not going to get any better.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Let's put a line under that. I'm just going to open the other door.
There's a fan on it. It's going up. It's going up.
Seconds. Cleared the whole of the front of the grille, it was completely covered in grass. So let's keep an eye on the engine so when we go back out. If it doesn't come down, come in.
That's the 47 Ginetta of Anastasi and Cilio has had a moment. That's coming out of Knickerbrook, same place where the 17 car went off earlier, but they've avoided the gravel.
Nick's second stop is about fuel. He gets out of the car while Box3 refuel the Ginetta. Then it's back out for the final part of the race.
In comes another Ginetta, that's Archie Buttle, the 22 in the background. That's his third stop.
Really good. Once you calm down in the car, one of the fastest cars out on the track, you're in that clear air. That's going really well. Make sure that's stuck there.
Busy in the pits once again. About, I would say, 7.5 minutes before the pit window closes.
What rubber have I got on now? You've still got, because we changed it when you did the crash stop. So you're on the new one still. What, until the end of the race? Yeah. You've only got about 20 minutes left. Ish. We were kind of getting towards the end of the pit window, so we had to box you. 40 seconds. Right, you're plugged in. Come on. 30 seconds. Happy? Comfy? Yeah. Right, Mo. Good work. Keep it up. 20 seconds.
Ginetta's off again. The reason for the safety car, Jonathan Candler in the number 17, the Army Motorsports, the Army Sports Car Racing Ginetta being recovered. Anastasi and Celio the leading Ginetta, and Julian McBride going well. We saw him up there towards the end at Donington as well.
With the race closing down, Nick is 9th overall. Not where he wants to be, but after the heat, traffic, safety cars and the earlier off, it is still a result worth finishing.
That Ginetta has picked up there. That's been off on the, I think that's been off on the other side of the circuit and has slid across into the gravel. Break track limits somewhere as well. The 17 car, not surprisingly, is back in pit lane. I reckon that could be terminal for that car this time. Tension mounting here at Oulton Park. What a climax, this Britcar Endurance Round 2.
And even on the restart, the race still tries to bite. Nick slides wide but keeps it out of trouble and gets going again.
That's Nick Casey, the number 3, slides it off but he's able to rejoin. Here they're dropping back in the 47. Looming, they're trying to lap Ash Woodman as well. Over the years in Britcar, they're finally, by the look of things anyway, going to get an overall win here at Oulton Park.
If Finishing class 8th overall wasn't the dream result, but after missing round 1, just being back on track mattered. Nick got the car to the finish, banked valuable race miles, gave the team proper data to work with, and still came away with fastest lap. So while the result on paper might not look spectacular, the weekend still gave Box 3 something important: a finish, more understanding of the car, and a clear direction to build from for the next round.
Well done, mate. Unreal. Last corner. Unreal.
I really enjoyed that, and that battle with the BMW at the end was quite fun. He was never. Was it him that was getting blue flagged? I didn't know whether there's someone in front of me was being blue flagged. And I didn't know whether it was him. Was he? Yeah. Okay. And then I had him on. I came up the inside of him on. Here, what's that turn? Last turn. Okay. Lodge. But because I had taken too much speed, I went all the way across, and then he managed to undercut me coming back up the hill. Just.
And I was like, boys, get ready. So Nick, how was it? It looked intense out there. You looked exhausted when you pulled into Park Fermi.
I think intense is an understatement, really.
Yeah?
What a lot of pressure for 90 minutes. It felt longer, I got to tell you. The first set of tyres were not good. I don't know what wasn't good about them, but the first set of tyres were rubbish. And that did not give us a good start, unfortunately. And then I kind of got caught off guard by somebody defending, and then I had a brake coming into Shell Oil, which gave me a bit of an off. But it was good. Beyond, excluding those fuck-ups, it was a really good battle. And actually, that actually provided a shed load of overtaking, which I really loved. I know I got more power than the trophies there, whatever they are in the class below us, but some of the overtaking was so much fun. All through the chicanes, on the fast corners. I think I had an overtake going round in, what's it called? Island.
Yeah.
It was just epic day. I don't know, I still don't even know where we finished, but I don't even care, to be honest. We finished, that's what matters.
Yes, that was what we needed to to do.
Yeah.
Because we never started the last race.
Pretty much in one piece. So there's a little bit of a splitter damage where I drove into the
you nearly took
stop
everyone's
sign.
ankles off.
Other than that, mate, fucking brilliant day.
Good to be back.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
And I'm really happy with how we came back.
Excellent. Guys, we finished. We completed our first race. Well, our second race. We never finished the first one.
Never started the first one.
Yeah, we never started. But it is good to be back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget